The living room is the heart of the home. It's where we relax after long days, welcome guests, have conversations, and create memories. But trends come and go, and constantly redesigning your space can be expensive and overwhelming. That's why today we're focusing on modern living room designs that never go out of style, designs that stay elegant, functional, and beautiful year after year. If you're decorating from scratch or updating what you already have, these ideas will help you create a living room that looks modern today and still feels relevant years from now. Let's start with the foundation of any timeless living room. Neutral color palettes are the backbone of a modern, timeless space. Colors like warm whites, beige, soft gray, taupe, and earthy tones create a calm and flexible base. These shades allow you to easily change accessories, artwork, or textiles without needing a full redesign. Neutral doesn't mean boring. The key is choosing warm, balanced tones that feel inviting instead of cold or flat. Next is clean, simple furniture design. Timeless modern living rooms rely on furniture with clean lines and balanced proportions. Avoid overly trendy shapes that may feel outdated quickly. Instead, focus on sofas, chairs, and tables with simple silhouettes and high-quality materials. A well-made sofa with a classic shape will always look stylish, no matter how trends change. Quality always outlasts quantity. One of the biggest mistakes people make is filling a living room with too many pieces. A timeless space is carefully edited. Each item serves a purpose and adds value to the room. Instead of buying many cheap pieces, invest in fewer, well-crafted items that can stand the test of time. Lighting plays a huge role in modern living room design. A timeless living room uses layered lighting. This means combining ambient lighting, such as ceiling fixtures, with task lighting like floor lamps and table lamps, and accent lighting to highlight art or architectural features. Soft, warm lighting instantly makes a space feel comfortable and welcoming, and it never goes out of style. Another design element that never fades is natural materials. Wood, stone, leather, linen, and cotton bring warmth and texture into a modern living room. These materials age beautifully and add character over time. A wooden coffee table, a stone accent, or linen curtains can make even the simplest room feel rich and grounded. Texture is what keeps a modern living room from feeling flat. Even in neutral spaces, layering textures adds depth and interest. Think soft rugs, throw pillows, woven baskets, curtains, and upholstered furniture. Mixing smooth and rough textures creates a balanced look that feels intentional and timeless. A timeless modern living room also values comfort. Style should never come at the expense of how a space feels. Deep seating, supportive cushions, and practical layouts matter. A living room that looks good but isn't comfortable won't age well. Comfort is always in style. Art and decor should feel personal, not trendy. Instead of filling your walls with mass-produced prints, choose pieces that mean something to you. Art books and decor that tell a story give a living room soul. Personal spaces feel authentic, and authenticity never goes out of style. Storage is another key element of timeless design. A cluttered space can quickly feel outdated and chaotic. Built-in shelving, cabinets, or stylish storage furniture help maintain clean lines and visual calm. A modern living room should feel open and organized, even when it's lived in. Proportion and balance are often overlooked, but are critical for a living room that ages well. Furniture should fit the scale of the room. Rugs should be large enough to anchor seating areas. Artwork should be properly sized. When proportions are right, a space automatically feels polished and timeless. Plants are a design element that never goes out of style. Greenery adds life, color, and freshness to a modern living room, whether it's a large floor plant or a small potted greenery. Plants soften space and connect the interior to nature. Another timeless principle is flexibility. A living room that can adapt to different needs stays relevant longer. Furniture that can be rearranged, neutral foundations that support seasonal updates, and layouts that allow movement all contribute to longevity. Minimalism, when done right, is timeless. This doesn't mean empty or cold spaces. It means intentional design. Keeping only what you love and use creates clarity and calm. A minimalist approach allows your living room to evolve without feeling cluttered or outdated. Finally, timeless modern living rooms focus on atmosphere rather than trends. It's about how the room makes you feel. Calm, welcoming, balanced, and comfortable spaces always feel modern, regardless of the year. If you're enjoying this video and want more home design ideas at last, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We share practical interior design tips, modern home inspiration, and ideas that help you create a space you'll love for years to come. If you're looking to upgrade your living room, check out the Amazon links in the description for sofas, lighting, rugs, decor, and home essentials that fit these timeless design principles. These are carefully selected items that work beautifully in modern living rooms. Disclaimer: some of the links in the description are affiliate links. This means I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you if you choose to make a purchase. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating valuable content like this. Let me know in the comments what you think makes a living room truly timeless, and which design idea you're planning to try in your own space.